This is the Heat Engine Efficiency Interactive Calculator, which solves for various thermodynamic parameters in heat engine cycles. The calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate efficiency from QH and QC, calculate Carnot efficiency from temperatures, calculate work output from QH and efficiency, calculate heat input QH from work and efficiency, calculate heat rejected QC from QH and efficiency, and calculate cold reservoir temperature from TH and Carnot efficiency. For this demonstration, I'll use Calculate Efficiency mode. The input fields include heat input QH in joules, heat rejected QC in joules, hot reservoir temp TH in Kelvin, cold reservoir temp TC in Kelvin, work output W in joules, efficiency E as a decimal, and Carnot efficiency IC as a decimal. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 5,000 joules for heat input QH and 3,200 joules for heat rejected QC. After clicking Calculate, the calculator determines the efficiency by computing the ratio of work output to heat input. The efficiency represents the fraction of input heat converted to useful work, while the remaining energy is rejected to the cold reservoir. This tool helps engineers quickly evaluate heat engine performance for design and analysis tasks. Find the link in the description below.